You are looking for a tool like this, with which you can create free and unlimited long videos that you can upload on YouTube and earn a good amount just like other YouTubers. But all the AI tools available right now have become paid, and you do not have the invite code for Sora 2. And in Veo 3, you can generate only 3 videos in one day. So today, I'm going to tell you about an AI tool with which you can create free and unlimited long videos, as many as you want, in a single day for an unlimited time. And along with that, I will also show you by creating a long video like this.
What was that?
In this video, the character is fully consistent. From the beginning to the end, the entire video feels like one complete story. And I have created this video for free and unlimited using just one single tool. How you can make such videos, how you can write perfect prompts to create such videos, how your character consistency will remain. I am going to explain all of this to you in this same video. And all the prompts that I will use in this video, you will get on my Telegram channel in the form of a PDF, so you can download it from there. And many people face problems downloading PDFs on their devices, so I will also share them in text format, so you can take them from there as well. So let's begin. We need a great story on which we can build our video. So I will tell ChatGPT that write a 200-word adventure story featuring a 25-year-old boy and a deer set in a forest. So it has written a story that includes a wonderful story of a deer and a 25-year-old boy. Now we will give it this prompt. I will generate this story using AI and then upload it to YouTube. The AI I'm using can create only 4-second video clips at a time, so please write prompts for every scene of the story, where each prompt generates a 4-second video clip. The AI that we will use actually generates 6-second video clips, but we wrote 4 seconds so that ChatGPT understands it as a 4-second video clip, and the emotions and facial expressions come out more clearly and effectively in the video. It has written 16 prompts for us, which are very short. The prompts are only up to 2 lines, and if we generate videos using these prompts, then our videos will not be generated well. They will not be generated in good quality, and a good video will not be created. So now we will click here and copy all these prompts, and we are going to give this ChatGPT a master prompt. This prompt here, this is a master prompt. After pasting it, below we will paste all those prompts and press enter. Then all our 16 prompts will become completely professional level, with good details and good camera angles. So now we will copy this first prompt and search on the Chrome browser for Quen AI. Now we will click on this website. You will also find its link in the description, so by clicking there you can come here. How to sign up on any platform you already know. After signing up, we will come to this page. After scrolling a little down, we will click on the video generation option. Now here we will paste our prompt and press enter. Now to complete access verification, we will have to fill this CAPTCHA. For this, we will slide it and adjust it here, and our verification will also become successful. So now, after a short while, our video is generated and ready, which we will download by clicking here. Now we will make the next video in the same way, but after that, you will need to watch carefully how we make the next videos. If you want, you can also select your aspect ratio from here, whether you want to make 9:16 for short videos or keep it in 16:9. Okay, now we will paste our second prompt here, and as soon as we press enter, after a short while, our video is ready. We will also download this by clicking here, and if we play it and see, then the face of our character is not visible in it. So, in the same way, way, we create a video from our third prompt. So this is our third video, in which the full character is properly visible in a good way. The face is visible very nicely. So now we will take a photo of the character's face in such a way that the character looks very good, like this photo. And we will also take a photo of the last frame of this video. So this is the photo of the last frame of this video, and this is also the photo of the character's face. Now you should watch very carefully from here, because from this point I will explain to you how character consistency will be maintained. So now we will upload the last frame of this video to ChatGPT and give it this prompt there. Please read this prompt very carefully because it is a very important prompt. This is the last frame of the video generated from the third prompt. Now write the fourth prompt so the video continues from this exact frame. I will upload this image to the AI as well. Now the prompt that it has written for us, we will create our fourth video using this exact prompt. And what this will do is that our video will feel like it has been generated from a single continuous prompt. So after copying this prompt, we will upload the last frame of our video here by clicking on the plus icon and then clicking on upload image. And then we will paste that fourth prompt here as well. And as soon as we press enter, our video will be created. Now if you watch the video created from the fourth prompt, you will see that the last frame stops on the deer, which means we cannot create the fifth video from the last frame of this video. So what we will do for that is we will copy the fifth prompt because we want to create the next video only from the fifth frame. So after copying it, we will paste it here and give this prompt below. To create the video from this prompt, I will use the image to video feature. So first, convert this prompt into an image prompt. Now the fifth image prompt that ChatGPT has written, we will copy that. Now we will open Gemini, and by clicking on the plus icon, we will upload the photo of our character. The photo should be in 16.9, and then we will give this prompt there. After pressing enter, Gemini will understand what we want it to do. Then after that, the fifth prompt that we had copied, we will paste that prompt and press enter. After a short while, Gemini will generate an image for us, in which our character will remain consistent exactly as it is. We will download this image, and if you do not like this image, then you can ask ChatGPT to write more image prompts. It will write them for you. You can generate as many image prompts as you want in different styles and from different angles. And then you can generate images from all those prompts using Gemini and finalize whichever image you like the most. After that, whichever photo you like, we will upload it to ChatGPT and give this prompt. This prompt is the same one we used to generate the fourth video. We just need to change one thing here. Where it said third, we will write fourth, and where it said fourth, we will write fifth, because we want to generate the fifth video. Now it will write the fifth video prompt for us, so we will copy it and upload the image and the prompt here to create the fifth video. Now, if you watch this fifth video, you will see that even in this one, the last frame does not show a clear photo of the character, which means if we create the next video from the last frame of this video, then our character will change. So for that, we will again copy the sixth video prompt and paste it below. And under that, we will paste the same line that we used to convert the fifth video prompt into an image prompt. We will paste this line under the sixth video prompt and press enter. And then the sixth image prompt that ChatGPT writes for us, we will paste into the same Gemini tab in which we had generated the photo earlier, so we get an image something like this. If you want, you can generate more images with character consistency. Like if I upload these two images into Gemini and tell it, create a photo where these two are holding each other's hand, running in the forest after a deer. It should be a close-up shot and both of them should look very angry. Then it generates an image something like this. You can add more characters in the same way, but in Gemini there is no option to select aspect ratio while generating images. If you want the image to be generated in 16:9, then you have to give it an image in 16:9. Whether it is for reference or any image, you have to provide it in 16:9. Otherwise, if you generate an image without giving any image, then it will generate the image in 1:1. No matter how much you tell it to change to 16:9, it will not do it until you upload a 16:9 image. I hope you have understood this. Now let's move forward. Now we will give this same image to ChatGPT and give this prompt. Just here, you have to write fifth, and here you have to write sixth, so it will write our sixth video prompt, using which we will generate the sixth video. In the same way, we generate all the videos. If you watch these videos, then you will see a watermark on the bottom side. So how to remove it, I will also tell you that. But before that, we will make a complete video out of these. So for that, we will add all these video clips in CapCut. And if you want, you can keep it like this. And if you want to add a narrator voice that plays in the background, then you can also do that very easily. For that, first we will copy our story, and then give this prompt to ChatGPT, and then paste our story. So ChatGPT will add punctuation to our story so that the AI speaks it like a human. Now we will copy this story and create a new project in CapCut with any image. Now we will click on text at the bottom and move a little to the side and click on text to speech. Now here we will paste our story. And after clicking done, we will click on more, so we will see many characters here. Here, you get more than around 250 characters whose voices you can use. After selecting whichever voice you like, we will click here and then click next, and then click don't split. So our voice will start generating. When your voice is generated, then listen to it. When it is generated correctly, then we will export it. Now we will come to our main video project. Here, after clicking on audio at the bottom, we will click on extract and select the video that we just saved, which has our narrator voice. So our voice will be separated and come on the timeline. Now we will edit our video clips and our audio properly. The audio of our video clips is very loud, so we will reduce that a little and match the video clips and audio nicely. Now when our video is properly ready, then we will save it to our device. Now let's see how we can remove the watermark from this video. For that, you will need to download this application from the App Store. After opening it, click on Select Video. From here, we will select our video. Now by clicking here, we will play our video a little until the watermark appears. Now here, our watermark has appeared. Now we will adjust this box in such a way that it completely covers the watermark, like this. After this much, we will click on Save and select 1080p and save it. So you have seen the video without narrator voice at the beginning. Now let's see how the video looks with narrator voice.
At 25, Rowan thought he knew forests. He had grown up hiking their paths, memorizing birdsong and the soft geometry of leaves. But the morning he followed a deer off the trail, the forest changed its mind about him.
What was that?
The deer was young, copper-coated, with eyes like dark pools. It watched Rowan once, then bounded away, stopping just long enough to be followed. Curious and reckless, Rowan chased it through ferns and over fallen logs, until the air grew cooler and the light thinned into green glass. A storm rolled in without warning. Wind snapped branches, rain stitched the earth, and Rowan slipped into a ravine. His ankle burned. Panic rose. Then the deer appeared above him, calm as a carved idol. It descended carefully, nudging a mossy root toward Rowan, stamping until he understood. He climbed. Together, they moved deeper, the deer choosing paths where the ground held firm. When night fell, they reached a ring of ancient trees, sheltering a warm hollow. By dawn, the storm had passed. Rowan's ankle ached, but he could walk. The deer met his gaze once more, then vanished.
This video has also turned out quite amazing. You can make videos like this and upload them on YouTube and earn a good amount. And if you want to learn how to make long videos using VO3, then you can watch this video of mine, in which I have explained everything in detail.